Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 6 of English grammar, that is article a and the. Dear students, this chapter we have read already in the previous classes in class 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we will also read it in class 4. The same topic, that is article a and the. Dear students, we all know that what is article. These three words a and the are known as article. Okay, just put the heading, what is article. Today we will discuss about a and the. Dear students, you open your notebook and start writing. Put the heading article. What are the articles? The word a and, just write down the words a and the word, these three words. Okay, a and the words a and the are known as article, are known as article. Okay students, what are the articles? These three words a and the, these are known as article. Okay, now just see, they are always placed before the noun, placed before the noun, before the noun. Okay, just see, the word a and the are article, and where do we placed it? They are always placed before the noun, and you all know the noun. Noun is the naming word. Okay, we use the article a and the before the noun. Okay, dear students, there are two kinds of article. Just from the next line you write, there are two types of article. Two types of article. Okay, there are two types of article. First one is indefinite article, and the second one is definite article. Okay students, just write down. First one is indefinite articles and second one is definite articles. Okay, just see, write down. There are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article. Okay students, first of all you should know that what are articles a and the. These words are known as article, and where do we place it? Where do we use it? Before the noun. Okay, and there are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article. Okay students, now we will discuss these two kinds of article, and I want to tell you first, you will not write indefinite, write indefinite articles are a or and. These two words a and are known as indefinite article. Okay students, and the word the is known as definite article. Okay, students, we will discuss these three things. A and the. Where do we use a? Where do we use an? And where do we use the article the? We will read it in detail. Okay, students? So first of all, you write it, complete it in your notebook. Then after you put the heading indefinite articles. I hope that you all have written it. Therefore, I am going to erase it. Just see. Put the heading indefinite article. First one is indefinite article. Just put the heading indefinite article. First one is indefinite article. Okay. What are indefinite articles? Just see. A and an. A and an. Okay. These two words are indefinite article. These two words are indefinite articles. In English. They are used before. They are used before. They are used before singular and countable noun. Countable noun. Okay, students, just see. The word, what is indefinite article? The word a and an. The word a and an are indefinite articles. Okay? They are used before. Where? Before singular number. Before singular number. It means the word a and an denotes only one thing. Okay? They are used before singular number. And I have told you what is singular number. The noun which denotes only one person or one thing or one animal, that is known as what? Singular number. And before countable noun I have told you already, the noun which can be counted are called countable noun. For example, girls, chair, table. The noun which we can count, that is known as countable noun. Okay? So where do we use it? Before the singular number as well as before the countable noun that we can count. Okay, students? So I hope that you all have understood what are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used before the singular and countable noun. Okay? For example, you can write here. Example. Just see. We can use the word a girl. Okay? Just see, a girl. An apple. An apple. Okay? One more example you can see. A pen. An egg, etc. Okay, students, just see here. A girl, an apple, a pen, an egg. These are what? These are indefinite articles. Dear students, now we will discuss the rule when do we use the article A, where do we use the article A, and where do we use the article N. Okay, we will discuss these two things in detail. Use of A and use of N. Okay students, first of all we should know that what are articles, how many kinds of article, how many types of article, and what are known as indefinite article. Okay, and where do we use it. I have read it, we have read it. Okay, now we will discuss the use of A and use of N. Where do we use A or where do we use N? Okay students, so put the heading rules for using A. Okay, I hope that you all have written it, therefore I am going to erase it. You remember it, keep in your mind that the article A and N are indefinite articles. Okay students, it is very important, you should keep in your mind, and this question may come in your exam. We can ask the question like this: the word A and N are known as indefinite articles or definite articles. You have to tick on that. Okay, you have to select the most appropriate answer in that. Okay students, come to the next, that is rules for using A. Rules for using the word A, article A. Okay students, just write down rules for using article A. Just see, first rule, when do we use the article A? A is used before the beginning with a consonant. That is very simple, that we generally use. A is used, the word A is used before a word, beginning with a consonant. Beginning with a consonant. Okay students, just write it. Just see, first rule, A is used before the word beginning with a consonant. Dear students, you all know the vowels and consonants. In English there are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are what? Vowels. Okay, and rest of the words, there are 26 letters in English, and rest of them, it means 21, rest of the words are consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay students, besides A, E, I, O, U, rest of the letters of English are known as consonant. Okay, these letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels in English. Okay students, you should keep in your mind. I know that you all know it, but I have told you again. Just see, the word A is used before the word beginning with a consonant. For example, you can see, just see the example. Just write down the example. a bag. Just here, a bag. B is what? B is consonant. So we can, and bag is a noun, and before noun we can say a bag. Okay. Next we can say CAT. C is consonant. B is here consonant. Therefore, I have used here the article A. Here the C, the word, the letter, first letter of the word cat is consonant. Therefore, I have used here the article A. Okay, students. A pencil. PENCIL. Here the word pencil is noun, and the first letter of this noun is what? Consonant, and before consonant I have used here the article A. Okay, students. So you should keep in your mind that we use the article A before the consonant letter. Okay. Before the consonant letter. The rule first says that we use the article A before the word beginning with the consonant. Okay. With a consonant sound, there must be sound. Consonant sound. Yeah, consonant. Just write out. Next, the rule number second. What is rule number second? Sometimes we also use A with the vowel, but there is a condition. For example, with U, with O, sometimes we use it. Just see. When the pronunciation of these vowel used as a consonant. For example, first of all you write about it, then we can understand the thing. Second rule, A is used also. A is used also. A is also used before. Dear students, we are discussing the second rule for using A. Okay? A is also used before a word beginning just write down, students. A is also used before a word beginning with a vowel with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. Just see, student. A is also used before the word beginning with a vowel with a consonant sound. Sometimes the pronunciation of this is the sound of consonant. For example, we can see here. Just write down the example. A uniform. One-way route. Etc. You can write. Yes, students. We have seen here that is U. U is vowel. O is vowel. dear students, a one-way road. You write only this one example. I will discuss later this about it. Okay, just see here. The word you is here vowel, but it pronounced as a U. Therefore, dear students, we have to also know the swar and vyanjan in Hindi. Okay, Hindi swar you all know a, e. These words are a, e, up to aha. These are what? These are vowel in Hindi. These are also called swar. So students, we have to use, we should know it, the sound of these Hindi vowel. अगर हिंदी वावेल के साउंड के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा इंग्लिश का साउंड आता है तब हम क्या करेंगे, एन का यूज करेंगे. अगर इसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं आता है तब हम क्या करेंगे, अ का यूज करेंगे. जैसे यू, यह क्या है, ये क्या है, व्यंजन है, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट. तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा आना चाहिए, अ आना चाहिए, आ, ई, उ, ए, ऐ, अंग, अह, इस तरह का प्रोनाउंसिएशन आना चाहिए. अगर इस तरह का प्रोनाउंसिएशन आएगा तो वी विल यूज आई. अगर नहीं आएगा तो वी विल यूज द आर्टिकल ए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द साउंड, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके, we should also know the Hindi vowel first. हिंदी वावेल के अकॉर्डिंग भी हमें ये करना होगा, उसका साउंड जैसा होगा. अगर यहाँ पे मैंने बोल दिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी ऑनेस्ट, यहाँ पे एच है, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट, एच इज कॉन्सोनेंट. लेकिन इसका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन आ रहा है आ इज स्वर, A is a vowel, therefore we will use here an honest, an honest man. प्रोनाउंसिएशन, हिंदी वावेल को आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा. अगर हिंदी वावेल का प्रोनाउंसिएशन इंग्लिश वावेल्स के साथ मिल रहा है तब क्या करेंगे, हम एन का यूज करेंगे. अगर नहीं मिल रहा है तो अ का यूज करेंगे, भले से यहाँ पे ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू क्यों ना हो. वी हैव टू चेक आउट फ्रॉम द हिंदी वावेल. ओके, जस्ट सी हियर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन सी द वर्ड अ यूनिफॉर्म. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अ वन वे रोड, अ वन वे रोड यू कैन से, अ वन वे रोड, वन वे, हियर प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज व. Okay, therefore I have used here the article A. Okay students, so you keep in your mind the pronunciation, the sound, we use the article A according to the sound. Okay, if the sound is of consonant sound from ka to ga, ka, kha, ga, gha up to ga, then we will use the article a. Okay, so this is the rule second. Okay students, now we will discuss another rule, use third. When do we use the article a? Just write it. Next, third, what is that? Third rule is given. A is used before the expression of quantity. Yes, see here. A is used before the expression of quantity. Okay, just see here. For example, A is used before the expression of quantity. Quantity means मात्रा in हिंदी, कितनी मात्रा में है वो. Example, just see, a dozen of bananas. Just see here, a dozen of banana. Just see here, a dozen banana and a lot of money. He also use a lot of money. Or little money, etc. You write. Just see here, a dozen of banana. A is also used before the expression of quantity. Here we are getting the quantity. How much? 1 dozen. Okay, a dozen. Lots of money. How much? Lots of. Therefore, we use the article A before the expression of the quantity. Okay, students. So this is the rule 3rd. I hope that you all have understood the things. Now, one more. Rule number next. Rule number 4. Just write down. What is rule number 4? A is used with certain numbers. A is also used before a certain number. The article A is used before a certain number. For a certain number. Just see. Example you can see. What? 1,000 rupees. 1,000. 1,000 rupees. Okay? You can see here. A is used before the certain number. Here the number is certain, 1,000. Therefore, I have used here the article A. One more example you can see. 100 rupees. Okay, 100 miles. HUNDRED, 100 miles. We can see A is used before the certain numbers. Here the certain number is 1,000, 100. Therefore, I have used here the word, the article A. Okay, students. So you keep it in your mind. Come to the next rule number 5. Okay, students. I'm going to erase it. We will discuss one more. That is the last rule for using A. That is, just see, 5. When do we use? A is used in exclamation before noun. A is used in exclamation sentence before noun. Just see, before noun. Just see, for example, you will see the example. What a lovely what a handsome boy. What a handsome boy. Okay, students, just see here. What a handsome. Here we have used. That is what? That is exclamation. Okay? It shows the sudden feeling of surprise. Just see here. What a handsome boy. Here the word a denotes the what? We use the. It denotes the single boy. Okay? And it is also used in the exclamation sentence. A is used in the exclamation before the noun, that is handsome boy. A boy, okay, a handsome boy, that is noun, and before noun I have used here the article a. Okay. Okay, students. So you keep in your mind all these rules for using a. In the next class we will discuss the use of and use of the. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.